Hello everyone, in this video we will be covering the topic of video note in WhatsApp on an iPhone, right? So what you're going to do is you have to open your WhatsApp and go to any chat, right? Here you have option of sending picture, right? Here you will get option of video, photo and then video note, right? So there are two ways to open this video note option. One is through this which I have just showed you in the video, right? And you just have to hold the camera and make a video of it, right? And it will go as a video note if you tap on the green arrow on right lower corner, right? So this is normally like you're shooting a video. That is it is just that it will go in a video note way. The circle, the frame of the video, you can see this is the video that will go directly on your chat, right? It is not going as a usual video but as a video note, like we have voice note instead of audio. And here also we can use effects, filters, backgrounds, etc. that I am showing you on the screen right now. You can use the flash and you can switch from selfie mode to the normal one, right? So all that you can do here in this feature as well. And you can see the timer also. When you start with the video, you have to keep it on by holding it, right? The center button, right? That is how we do it. And this feature is amazing if you want to send a quick video of something that you are watching, and you just have to send something instantly. You can capture that in this video note form and send it right away, and the other person can view it, right? Its frame is quite different than the usual one, this you can see, but other features are quite similar. So that is it, and it is not going to go in your media, right? It is just going to stay in the chat. On top of it, you can just hold the camera button and swipe it up to lock it and create a video instantly, right? That is what you can do. You can pause it, you can delete it, and you can directly send it right away, like you send a voice note. And that is how we create a video note. See you in the next video. Ta-da.